Welcome to Math with Eden. Let us look at IG 2023, question number 13A and then 13B. So let's start with the A. It says 3 to the power 3p multiplied by 3 to the power 2p equals to 729. Find the value of p. So we are going to find the value of p. We have two p's here. So we are finding the value of p. So here we have 3 to the power 3p times 2 to the power 2p. You realize that the bases are the same. We have here 3 and here also 3. So we are going to keep one of them. So let's write here 3. Now, because the bases are multiplying, we are going to add the powers according to the laws of indices. So I'm going to write the first one, 3p plus 2p according to the laws of indices. For instance, if we have y to the power n times y to the power m, because the bases are multiplying, according to the laws, we need to add the power. So it's going to be y to the power n plus m. So equal to, we have 729. Okay, so I'm adding this. So 3 to the power 3p plus 2p gives us 5p. It's equal to 729. Because the base here is 3, we are going to think of getting a base here that is also 3. That's what we are going to do. So we are going to change this into a base of 3. So let's look at the powers of 3. So 3 times 3 gives us 9. 9 times 3 gives us 27. 27 times 3 gives us 81. 81 times 3 gives us 243. 243 times 3 gives us 729. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is going to be 3 to the power 6. I'm going to repeat the same thing. So we have here 3 to the power 5p is equal to 3 to the power 6. Okay, so 729, we have changed it to what? A base of 3. So that gives us 3 as a base and then to the power 6. Great. So now we have the same basis now. Okay, here we have here 3 and here also 3. So according to the laws of indices, okay, because the bases are the same, we are going to equate what? The powers also. We have here 5p is equal to 6. So divide this side by 5, divide this side by 5. The question says find the value of p. So the value of p is 6 over 5 or 1 whole 1 over 5. Okay, now let's look at b. It says simplify. We have 32x to the power 10, all in a bracket, to the power 1/5 or 1 over 5. We are going to simplify this. So I'm copying the same question. So we have 32x to the power 10, all in parentheses, and then to the power 1/5. What we are going to do is, because the number here has a power of 1/5, we are going to look for a number that will have the same power as 5. Okay, so we are going to look for a number that will raise to the power 5. So let's try 2. So 2 times 2 gives us 4. 4 times 2 gives us 8. Times 2, 16. Times 2, 32. So we can use 2. So we'll be having, instead of 32, let's write 2 to the power 5. Okay, 2 to the power 5, x to the power 10 into bracket 1/5. Because the 2 is raising to the power 5, we are going to multiply the power here by these powers. So we have 2 to the power 5 and x to the power 10. So what we are going to do is we are going to multiply this power by 1/5, and this is also by 1/5. Okay, we are expanding the bracket. So let us expand this bracket, and we have this. So I'm going to multiply. This will cancel this, and then we'll be having 1. Okay, now 5 divide itself 1, divide the 10 2 times. So we'll be having 2 to the power 1. Okay, 2 to the power 1 is the same 2. And then what do we have here? X. The x, and then now the x will be having the power 2. So this is going to be our final answer. This is simplify 32x to the power 10 into bracket all to the power 1/5. So our answer is 2x squared. Alright, so guys, if this is helpful, I want you to subscribe and share this video.